Hello, everyone. My name is Dave Kehr. I'm a curator here in the Department of Film at the Museum of Modern Art. You may have seen me in some of the How to See videos, talking about the economy of B-movies, the survival of Westerns into the 21st century, or how to preserve silent films. You've sent us a lot of good questions on those videos, so we thought it was time to do a live Q&A on MoMA's YouTube channel and get you some answers. You might ask questions like, what does a film curator do all day? Bill Frankenberger wrote, wow, can someone restore the Méliès films? Actually, our friends at the Cinémathèque Française are working on that right now. The superhero comic genre. Do you agree with someone like Spielberg who says it'll eventually go the way of the Western? So please leave some questions for us in the comments section below, and make sure to tune in on Wednesday, July 25th at 3 o'clock New York time, and we'll answer those questions and other questions you can submit during the live stream. In the meantime, please have a look at some of the other videos we've made here at the museum. You can see some here and here. And be sure to subscribe to MoMA's YouTube channel so we can send you a notification when we go live on Wednesday, July 25th. Thanks, and see you then.